Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Good. All fresh to start the week? Yes. I can't see so many thumbs up now. Why? Show me like this. That's sweet. I heard my children are learning a lot nowadays. Yes. Good, good. Clap your hands. Clap. जोर से. Clap, 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 clap. Nicely. That's good. So we are ready for today's session or masti? Both. Okay. Perfect. We'll learn and we'll do masti also. That's perfect. What are we going to learn today? Alphabet. What alphabet? Alphabet. What alphabet? So what we should do first? We are going to sing a rhyme and then we are going to learn that alphabet. Okay? Say okay, teacher. I'm not hearing. That's sweet. Now I can hear everyone's voice. So sweet, children. Okay, you are all ready to sing with me now? I'm ready. See, I'm ready. Perfect. Who are all ready with me now? That's good. Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes? One more time. Oh, yes, this is the tune is different. Okay, yes. Shall we write? Shall we start? Very good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes. Got it? So nice. Which letter we told very strongly in this rhyme? Z. What is it? Z. Which letter? Which letter? Z. What is this? Z. What letter is this? Capital Z. And what is the letter next to capital Z? It's small z. How will say? Small z. Nice. You're all ready? Yes. What is that? Two letters. Capital Z. Small z. Perfect. Ready or not? So we are going to what do now? We are going to pick which one? Small z. Correct. Which one you are going to pick now? We picked up small z from that. Yes? Yes or no? Tell me loudly na beta. Yes, teacher. That's sweet of my children. Small z. That's cute. What is this? Small z. Who are all playing here and there? Why? Why? In this picture, who are all there? A girl and a boy. Yes, can you see? A girl and a boy. Shall we keep a nice name for the girl? Yes? Zara. You all like it? Yes, good. She's enjoying, na? What is her name? Zara. Shall we take Zara now? Yes? Yes, I'm taking Zara now. Why we took Zara now? See, she's standing boldly. How she's standing? Boldly. Yes, like that. Stand. So smart. Very good. Like it, children. I like it. That's good. She's very bold. She hears whatever mama and papa says. Will you all listen? Yes? Wow, that's good. That's sweet of my children. Zara is standing Boldly. But she's thinking something. Is it? What? I can't understand what she's thinking. Let's see. Shall we ask Zara? Yes? Okay. See here. Now we understood. Zara wants to see zebra. What is it? Zara wants to see zebra. Where can we see zebra? In our home? In our street? No. Park? No. Then where can we see zebra? We should help Zara, na? Yes? Where can we see zebra? I'm also thinking like Zara. So she thought of an idea. Where to go? Where? To a zoo. Oh, where wild animals are there. Yes. So she wants to see zebra. Zebra will be in the zoo. Don't go out now, okay? Zara did earlier. She's not going now. She's telling that I went. Okay? So now we are not going out of our house. Stay safe in our house. Where Zara went? Zoo. Where Zara went? Zoo. To see zebra. Wow, so sweet. What is that? Her dress had a zip. Her dress had a zip. So that the dress is fully covered. Yes? Her dress had a zip. It is for our safety. Z for zip. So, what is that zero? Why she said zero, you know? Because she heard whatever mama, papa, dada, dadi, chacha, chachi, whoever says, she will say okay. She will never answer back. So, zero. Okay? She will never say no. She will say okay. So, what they did, you know, they both, what is the thing? They went on a road. The road was zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Keep your hand like this. Yes, join both the hands like this. Near to your chin. Like this. See? Zig, zag, zoom. Zig, zag, zoom. How it appears? Zig, zag, zoom. Daily if you do like this, your hands will have very good exercise for you. Okay? Now you are going to do it with me again. Yes? Ready? Yes? Straight? Yes or no? Loudly. Good. Zig, zag, zoom. Zig, zag, zoom. Nice? They went on the zigzag zoom road. See? Zigzag, zigzag. Down, up, down, up. Yes? Zig, zag, zoom. And what happened, you know? They had Zuchni for her snacks. While we go out, even mama will carry snacks for us now. No, my child will feel hungry, so I will give this. The same way, Zara's mama also gave her Zuchni as her snacks. She did a nice bhaji with Zuchni salad, vegetable salad. You remember? Yes, with that, they went in their box. They had in their box and they went to zoo, and there when she is hungry, she had zucchini. It's a very good vegetable. You know, very good vegetable for hot summer days. Even when it is hot, you eat this as a snack, As bhaji mama gives you na, so say okay mama, I will eat it. Okay? So you will never say no. Remember, no for vegetables. Say no, 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 no. Have to say yes for vegetables. See, Zara is very good na. We'll give 5 star for Zara because she is eating vegetables. Very nice. You also eat vegetables. I will give you 5 star for you. 5 star, 10 star also for you. Will you do it? That's nice. So what is that vegetable? Zucchini. Okay. So we are going to recap. What is that? Zara wants to see a zebra. So where she went? Zoo. How she went? In a zigzag zoom way. Yes. What is that? Zip? Her dress had a zip. Her coat had a zip. She zipped it. She wore a coat and zipped it. You remember during rainy seasons, you will wear a raincoat, you will wear a sweater and you will zip it now. That's zip. Yes? And what they had for their snacks? Zucchini. Got it? Wow, that's sweet. You understood? So what you are going to do now? We are going to learn small Z. Small Z. Got it? Repeat with me. Small Z. Repeat with me. Small Z. One more time. Small Z. Pakka. Very good. See, in our notebook, we will be having small Z like this. We are not going to write anything now, children. Okay, you are going to just, what I said earlier, listen, observe. Listen, observe. And you are going to tell this to your mama or papa. Okay? Yes or no? Say loudly. How am I shouting? Can you hear my voice? Yes, the same way I should hear your voice. Okay? So tell me loudly, okay, teacher. That's sweet of you, my dear. What is that? Small Z. Okay, children. So, I am going to show you how we will be writing in our notebook. Now, you are not going to write anything. Okay? So, just listen. Okay, fine? Yes or no? That's sweet. Okay? Just see carefully. Zig, zag, zoom. What came? Small Z. One more time. Zig, zag, zoom. What that? Small Z. One more time. Yes or no? You're all ready? You seeing or not? Yeah, that's sweet. Okay, okay. Now I understand. Okay? Zig, zag, zoom. What we got? Small Z. Now you understood, children? Yes? That's sweet of you. So, what activity you are going to do for me, you know? Ready? Listen, observe. Okay? Just go to kitchen. From kitchen to the other rooms, hall, living room, bedroom, every room. Just see what objects starting with Z. Okay? Any picture, it's starting with Z. If you see, just take a click and send to me. You are going to tell teacher Z, Z for dash. Whatever the picture you saw, you are going to tell to me. Will you do this for me? Yes? I am telling repeatedly again for you. Just go to from your kitchen, living room, bedroom, just to see any word, any picture starting with Z. Okay? If you can see zebra picture also, you can see teacher, small Z, Z for zebra. Tell this and send to me. Will you do this? Oh, wow, so nice. Before this, whatever I said, you did to me. That's very good, children. Keep it up. Clap your hands. Clap nicely. I'll give you 5 star for you. Yes, you want 5 star? 10 star. I will give you. Yes? So smart. That's nice of you, my dear children. You enjoyed this? Yes? Okay. That's sweet. Just remember the work what I told you. You're going to do this activity for me. Yes? Go around. Take the picture. Click it. Send to me. I will see and give you stars. Wow. I know. I love giving stars to my children. I'm waiting for you, children. Hope I'll get your pictures. Yes? Nice. Good. Take care. Yes. Bye-bye, children.